Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions for making Play-Doh without cream of tartar. Measure the water and lemon juice into a heat-proof, microwavable 2-cup measuring cup. Heat in the microwave until just boiling, about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, mix together the flour and salt. It may feel a bit sticky, too, but do not add more flour.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions. Add the cornstarch and the conditioner to a bowl. Mix together with your hands and gradually add 1/2–1 cup water as you mix and knead until it forms a ball of dough. Add 1 to 3 drops of food coloring to color the Play-Doh if desired. Play.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The 6 best substitutes for cream of tartar. Lemon juice. Share on Pinterest. White vinegar. Like cream of tartar, white vinegar is acidic. Baking powder. If your recipe contains both baking soda and cream of tartar, you can easily substitute with baking powder instead. Buttermilk. Yogurt. Leave it out.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.